Namaste. Welcome to my yoga. I'm Paru. In this video, we will practice postnatal yoga poses for regaining strength and flexibility. Let's start.
Let's start with child's pose. Exhale. Draw your left hand to the front followed by the right hand. Place both palms on the floor while the upper body is also bent forward. Keep your eyes closed. Take deep and full breath and exhale slowly. Rest and relax. Enjoy the experience. Be gentle to yourself. Breathe deeply and exhale slow and fully. After some time, you may want to come back to the original position and pause for a while. Slowly rise, making your way to a tabletop on your hands and knees. Let us come to the cat to cow pose. Start on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Begin by moving into cow pose. Inhale as you drop your belly towards the mat. Lift your chin and chest and gaze upwards. Next, move into cat pose. As you exhale, draw your belly to your spine and round your back toward the ceiling. The pose should look like a cat stretching its back. Inhale, coming back into cow pose, and then exhale as you return to cat pose. Repeat 5 to 10 times and then rest by sitting back on your heels with your body upright. While in table pose, slowly raise your right hand. Pause for a couple of seconds. Feel the stretch. Lower it down to tuck it under your left armpit and lay down as if you are in child's pose. Slowly release the left hand to stretch and lie on the floor. You may place your hands on your butts as well. Feel the stretch in your both arms. Breathe deeply and exhale slowly. After a minute or so, you may wanna change your hands. Release your right hand as you get back to the table pose and repeat the same for the left hand as well. Enjoy the experience. Be gentle to yourself. Breathe deeply and exhale slow and fully. Sit down comfortably. Place your hands behind your butts and slightly lean backwards. Inhale deeply and raise your chest. Pause for a couple of seconds. Exhale and get back to the normal position by lowering the chest. Feel the stretches in your chest and abdominal muscles. Make sure you are comfortable and do not forget to balance your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now, let us stretch our hands and wrists. While sitting comfortably, raise your both hands sideways parallel to the ground. Gently move your fingers. Grab the right shoulder blade using your left hand. Slowly stretch the muscles of the shoulder blade arms by the left hand. Make sure you do not pull the muscles too hard. Go for gentle massage on your arm. Repeat the same, changing the rules of the hands. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly and focus yourself on stretching your muscles. Let us be on the table pose and exhale fully. Slowly raise your knees above the mat. Now we are posing for the downward facing dog. Breathe normally. Feel the stretch in the muscles of your legs and your arms are holding you strong. Let's paddle gently. Gently guide the left knee inwards, right legs, while your toes does not leave the floor, and get it back to the original position. Then it is the turn of the right knee to be guided left inwards. Now pull both knees forward so the entire body gets pulled to the front. Pause for a second and slowly lower your knees to push the body forward. Inhale while you pull your legs to the front. Hold your breath while up and exhale slowly while you come back to the original position. Do this gently. This should produce a gentle rocking motion forward and back. Exhale, bend your body. Inhale while you slowly step forward to stand up. Raise your hands gently, stretch and lower them down slowly. You can bend forward. Slowly raise the hands, forming a circle starting from the floor. Inhale while you raise your hands and hold your breath. Exhale while you lower your hands. You may do this for a couple of times. Make sure you feel the stretch and enjoy the moment. Now lean to the wall using your hand near to the wall. Place the palm of your right hand on the wall and hold it for a few seconds. Breathe deeply and exhale slowly. Stand straight. You may change your hands. Now, while we are standing with legs apart, let us do the eagle pose with some variations. Raise your both hands and wrap your left hand around the right hands. While the hands are at the front, pause for a few seconds and bend down your entire body forward. Pause for a while and raise your entire body to get back into original position. Repeat this for 5 to 10 times. Make sure you are breathing deeply and exhaling slowly. This pose not only stretches your entire body but also helps in providing more rest to your body after the pregnancy. and allow these moments to enjoy the experience. That will help you regain your strength and flexibility, get maximum rest and mindfulness. Finally, release your hands. Exhale fully. Bring your legs close and let us end today's session by welcoming positivity to our body and mind, bringing in the strength and flexibility that we all require after having the baby. While standing from Namaste and close your eyes, inhale deeply and exhale full and slow. Be mindful of your body and mind. Remember that the more you care for yourself, you will be able to take care of your baby efficiently. Release your hands and exhale slowly. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me. Like and comment in this video. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell for yoga and workout videos. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.